I know you do.
Can you teach me? Can I try?
No, right now, baby. Country living 101. This how we do it. Got a little Irvin out here on the tractor. Irvin! Irvin! Oh, he can't hear us, y'all. He's gone. Where is this boy going? There he is. All right. This is Irvin on the Cub Cadet. Hey, Irvin, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
You doing fine? Yeah. Watch out, the grasshopper on you. Look. Whoa, Irvin. Stop. Hold on, let me get the grasshopper. Whoa. Candace. Irvin. I'm trying to interview you. So, what's your name?
Irvin.
How old are you?
Now, 98, turning 9 this year.
And you're 8 years old and you're operating this tractor? Okay, Irvin, hold on. All right, let's put your parking brake on right here. Pull that up, that's your parking brake. All the way up and over. Yep, all right, come on, get down.
She gets to driving it.
You're not. Take your parking brake off. Go slow. Go ahead.
I want to drive the tractor.
All right, let me show you. Hold on. Hold on. This your left hand. Hey, tractors have 2 transmissions and 2 motors. Your left hand operates your left side. You see that? Your right hand operates your right side. Hey, Candace. Candace. Go like this to turn. Look, Candace. Do like this. See? Do the other way. Irvin! 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 Irvin, come here. Irvin. Hold on, move back, Irvin. Now, what is your name, darling?
Candace.
And how old are you? What is that?
9.
When do you turn 10? Come on, son. When do you turn 10?
5 days.
What's your birthday? All right, Irvin. On the porch for a second. All right, Candace. Drive over here. All right, guys. We're signing off. Peace.